Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss you about a condition which is very important for our health. So this condition is related to our tooth and gum. As you all know, our teeth and gum are helping us for food intake, chewing of food and proper digestion. So we all need a healthy teeth and a healthy gum for keeping ourselves healthy. So usually we are not that much aware of our teeth health of our teeth. So we will what we will do, we will brush with our toothpaste which is available in the market and cleanses our tongue. So these are our common thing we are doing. Whenever there is a toothache or a bad odor from the mouth or some bleeding from the gum or any kind of symptoms related to tooth or gum comes, then only we are aware of our tooth and our gum. So keeping health of our teeth and gum are very important. One should be very careful about our tooth and our gum for a healthy life. Why? Because sometimes the ill health of gum or tooth will leads to some serious diseases of human body like stroke, heart disease, diabetes, etc. So today in this episode we are going to talk about a common tooth or gum condition which is coming in our clinical practice, and lot of people are suffering with this particular disease. Sometimes we can observe that whenever we are taking any food or any fruit or anything, small tinges of blood is on the fruit or the food material. So usually we are not giving importance for this. So gradually what happens, this will increase over a long time. The bleeding will slowly increase and it will leads to some other more complicated problem. So this condition is called periodontitis. So periodontitis is a very serious infection of our gum. So this infection will cause even tooth destruction or bone destruction also. So in the starting stage of periodontitis only we have to identify this particular disease and we have to treat accordingly. And in this video I will tell you about one of our Ayurvedic product which can keep our tooth and gum healthy. So coming to the periodontitis. Periodontitis is a condition which is caused by some gram-negative anaerobic bacteria, and this will leads to inflammation of the gum, and gradually it will leads to the destruction of tooth and destruction of our bone. So in the starting stage we can see some mild bleeding, and it will gradually increase if you are not treating it properly, and it will leads to toothache, it will leads to inflammation of the gum, and eventually it will leads to destruction of the teeth. So first of all, how this problem is affecting us. So as I told earlier, we are not giving attention to our tooth or gum health at the most importance. So what we are doing, we are usually brushing with the toothpaste and all. At that time what happens, our oral cavity contains hundreds of bacteria which are very good for our oral hygiene, which helps for our digestion and all. But whenever there is a food debris is impacted inside the teeth or in between the teeth or any caries, inside the any caries, it will leads to infection of the bacteria. So unwanted bacteria will multiply inside our oral cavity. So this unwanted anaerobic gram-negative bacteria will produce some toxins. These toxins gradually affect our tooth, the base of the tooth, and along with the food debris, it will form a plaque. So there will be a plaque formation that is below the teeth. After the plaque formation, it will leads to mild inflammation of the gum. So at that time you can see mild swelling of the gum and reddish discoloration of the gum. So at that time it will start slight bleeding. You will not feel any pain or any other problems, any bad odor, nothing. So only it will start with a mild bleeding. So if we are not treating it at that time, what we will do, we will gargle some salt water and all, it will come down. So gradually over the time, years and years, this plaque formation will increase. So if you are not able to remove the plaque with our normal brushing, this plaque will invaded inside and the bacteria will multiply. So after the multiplication of bacteria, it will release the toxin and it will gradually destruct the root of the teeth. Then in the next stage, the moderate periodontal disease stage, it will leads to bad breath, shaking of the tooth will start, and severe pain also will start. So at that time only we are going to the doctor and we will treat the condition. So whenever this type of problem starts, then only we should consult a proper doctor, a dentist, immediately. Otherwise this type of problem will leads to the destruction of the teeth. So next I am going to talk you about a product of Kottakkal Ayurvedashala which I found very effective for the patients in my clinical practice. So this particular product is known as Dashana Kanthi Churnam. Dashana Kanthi Churnam. It's a powder. It's a form of powder. It contains around 14 medicines. It is very effective for the toothache or this type of bacterial infection in the initial stage, not in the later phases. Later phases we have to consult the proper dentist. Otherwise it will leads to further damage of the tooth. So in the initial stages, or if you are having any mild bleeding, that is called as gingivitis, inflammation of the gum, at that time you can start using this particular powder. It will be very useful. Otherwise, instead of the normal toothpaste which are available in market, you can use this particular powder. Why? Because this is a wonderful combination of medicines which are very good for the tooth health, bone health and gum health. For the three oral cavity problems, this will give you wonderful result. So you have to take this powder, you have to brush your teeth either with your fingers or with your brush, morning and evening. Evening in the sense night. The night brushing is more important. Whenever we are going for sleep, you should brush. Morning brushing is okay. If you are not brushing morning also, there is not that much problem. But if you are not brushing in the night, it will leads to this type of infection. So night after food intake, whenever you are going for sleep, you must brush your teeth, you must floss your teeth. That is also very important. Flossing is, you will get the flosser. With that you can remove the debris in between the teeth. In between the teeth, usually it will not go with the normal toothbrush. It will only go with the flossing. So flossing and brushing with cleaning with this particular Dashana Kanthi powder make your gum and teeth healthy. So coming to the Dashana Kanthi powder, this is the Dashana Kanthi Churnam of Kottakkal Ayurvedashala. It is available in a 50 gram container. The cost is just 120 rupees. It is so the main content of Dashana Kanthi Churnam are the number one is Arimeda or Irimeda, that is white bubble, that is Acacia leucophilia. In the classic textbook, it is called as it is mentioned as Irimedo Vrane Patye Mugadanda Mayabaham. So this is very good for the Mukha that is the oral cavity problems, especially the gums and teeth. Other medicines are that Eshtimadu, as you know, Glycyrrhiza glabra, Darvi berberis aristata, Piper nigrum, that is Marija or pepper, then Ela cardamom, Tokki is there, Jadi Phala, Jadi Kosha, Lavanga. So these all are important medicines for the oral cavity hygiene, and these are all medicines are antimicrobial property. It is having antioxidant property, and this Myristica fragrance, Jadi Phala and Jadi Kosha, these are having highly Varna Robana property. So that will heal the ulcer also. That will heal if any infections are there. Highly it is antimicrobial, and it is very good for the health of the teeth and bone. So these particular combination of medicines will help you remain healthy for your teeth and gum. So this particular medicine is very good, and in my clinical practice I am getting very good result for the patients. Those who are having shaking of the teeth also I got a result. So if you are interested, you can use this medicine. Once you use this medicine, this particular powder for brushing your teeth, you can understand it will give a very pleasant odor from your mouth. It will keep your teeth and gum very, very healthy. You can use for your children also, small children also you can use. There is no problem, there is no side effect for these medicines. So this is about Dashana Gandhi Churnam, and this is about the periodontitis. So if you liked the video, please share the video, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe our channel, and we will see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you very much.